Thank you for subscribing and hit that notification bell. Hi everyone, welcome back. And in this video, I am here to show you a few things that were sent to me by the Rosalind company. They are a store and they sell a lot of things like polygel, builder gel, gel polish. They sent me this set of gel polish, and this is a 6-piece set. It's $14.99. I will have the link to their store in the description box below so you can go there and check it out and see everything that they have for sale. Anymore, I don't accept gel polishes as something to review or introduce on my channel because for the most part I exclusively use Madam Glam because it's so good. I actually came across Rosalind brand on my own while I was searching for the perfect nude gel polish, and I did find that in this company, and I actually did a video on it, and I used that nude gel polish on my toenails, and it's #1 and it's really beautiful. And anyways, they also did send me some polygels, and these are 15 ml tubes. There's 6 transparent colors. They're absolutely beautiful, and I will be doing a nail design with those soon, so be on the lookout for that. This 6-piece set was $13.99. Again, remember the links to the store and to these products will be down below in the description box, so please do check it out. The polygels were sealed in these little bags, but I did open a few to check out the color, and again, they are beautiful. Now it's time to swatch these gel polishes, and you can see just how much great coverage you get in one coat. But I will be showing at the end the finished swatch sticks, and those will all have 2 coats on. And these do not have names, they only have numbers for the colors. Here I'm just showing you that #1 color that I found on my own and #3 in this set are the same color. They just have different numbers, and the bottles are different now too. I think the one I got right here that you see on the screen, the #1 color, I bought that, I don't know, over a year ago, so I think they changed the bottles, but #1 and #3 are the same color. If you are interested in watching the full video of the toenails that you saw on the screen, you can follow the arrow and watch that video. It will also be down below in the description box. If you are interested in purchasing something from Rosalind, I think this gel polish set is a great one for starters because it has lots of nice, beautiful nude colors, and they give you a black and white too. This is the end of the video, and I must say this is a nice little collection to start out with, and I'm in love with color #3, of course. I want to thank you so much for being here and watching, and Rosalind too, and be on the lookout for another new nail design coming up using their beautiful transparent colored polygels. Yeah, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!